out there. Check out the view, guys. At night, you know, still, but who say we not have a look a goodish view, guys? CECE over there, and check out the view. See the out there, so. See, I live with them forever, guys. You see me? Unless things turn out different, and we have.
Writing you this letter. I'm writing you this letter. Girl, you make me better. Girl, you are my treasure.
What's up, guys?
You don't know, say it's your boy Nathan.
And the girl CECE.
Yeah, people. And there with the next
content. And we're there back as usual. Before we get into the video, want to leave a like, share, comment, subscribe. Don't skip the ads, watch up the ads, them comment what you think about the video.
Yeah, people. Remember to follow me on Instagram. Link in the description. You see me I say people. So today I wanna see the title.
And go follow in music, go subscribe to your music page, Chaplard Viva, link in the description.
Yeah.
Sorry about that.
People, I want to that, man. Do something to that, no be.
Time I get late, guys. Really, I don't know why we take so late for this video because we did busy and we don't really want did not day pass and we not do no video. So we just say we are going to rip and do.
Alright, so people wanna see the title already, so you know we are gonna deal with.
Right,
so enough people, whole heap. Me I tell you say whole heap of people. Whole heap of people are asked with this and they want to know why we why we not there which part King and Shay the same way, you see me? Whole heap of people have to say yo something we do.
Yeah,
some of it say something King do. You see me, but a long time I never do no video about this, you know, but you see somebody text me yesterday and I said so I say me just do a video because people ever talk about this and why we and King and Shay stop playing. But people, honestly, we and King and Shay are like so same. You see me, nothing change. Not because you know see the two of we are you know see we in a video or so. Remember say King and Shay have their own life to live and we have our own life to live same way, you see me?
Yeah.
So you know you never ever see we I live with them forever, guys, you see me? Unless things turn out different and we have a place to stay and you see me, we have our own place and thing. But remember, say King and Shay and them have them father, them have them kids. You see me, we live with them. So we never did go, it never one permanent thing, it's just temporary. You see me? It's just for we go get we thing up and then we move on and elevate from there. You see me? But to how which part of life take we guys we could sorry about that. Which part of life did life take we guys we could the hard for kinda keep on, you see me? So we have to kinda ease back because it reached to a point where we almost lose our life one at a time, you see me?
Yeah.
And we give thanks same way because we never there for there so same way, you see me, and we still there. So we know say we're there for a reason, you see me, people. So who feel like say we and King and Shay have something, we don't have nothing, you see me? We good and we come up, when we are come up here, we are named good, we reach up, we call and things there,
we and them communicate, we text. We may not call and talk on phone, but we text and whatever, you know. But at the end of the day, them have them life to deal with them, we have full life to deal with them. Have kids, we not have no kids, so you don't know, so it got more hard on them. You get me?
Yeah, I know, like.
And our father did it as well, so you know how that go.
Yeah, people.
And I don't know how the thing go, guys.
Yeah, I know, like say, we did. Who did I expect? Some people like them did I expect. We are King and Shay for us take in this, we for live with them as two big people. And I like, you see me, if the situation is different with them, And you see me, them they have their own house, big house and thing, we can accommodate with it would have different.
Yeah.
But at the time it never set that way there, you see me, so it's just for a space of time, a period of time when we go there to elevate, to reach certain level and then we start do it and we hold, you see
Yeah,
me?
them just did a put up on the truck.
Yeah.
Them just did a put up on the truck.
Yeah,
I'm
but-
leaving from there because King, we know straight up, say, CECE, I need to me tell you this. When time I put it up on track, I don't know the gun.
Yeah, same
Him
way,
no
so.
mean like, him literally done with me and them things, but you must understand what I mean.
Same way, so.
Same way, so him said to me, I'm say, alright, yeah man, no problem with that. From the on track and them really put we on track.
Yeah.
We're out there and them bring us so far. We don't know how to appreciate it. God will tell me appreciate it, guys.
You see me?
Mr. Nice, them did a few 24/7. We can call upon them at any appointed time. If you have one issue, King and Shay always did it. If King not did it, Shay always did it. That's one thing you know for sure.
I know, like.
And then push out them all through them try a lot. Them do nothing.
Yeah, people, and which enough other people you see out there and
Them who do that. Enough people who
wouldn't,
do
and
that.
when them can do more.
And you have people out there who
When
can
we
do.
can,
Them
at
can
the
do
least,
it. But
listen, people you see, we would have liked to reach somewhere where we can help a lot of people, same way, because
Yes.
you find this. At the end of the day, YouTube is for everybody. Guys.
Everybody.
Why not try to help someone make them start, make some
money.
you
If
see me?
I at least we make them monetize and leave them.
Make them make some
Hard.
money, because it's not you are pay them. You are the prefer for, I know say you are make the whole of the money and them channel over this side.
But you know, say, to be honest, I have some people, them alone want the whole of the views them, them want the whole of the likes them, them want the whole of the money, them just greedy, so them don't want to give nobody else no chance. YouTube is a big platform, it make for everybody.
You see me?
Everybody. When I go on YouTube, it now tell us say YouTube is for the special somebody or what, so YouTube for everybody. So you must can give a helping hand. Enough time you give a helping hand and we don't watch the face and brush my teeth and we just make it go on.
You see me? And
And
you
we
see,
still have enough more for the same way.
you see, you know this YouTube thing, sometimes you might feel like you have to help a person with sometimes you're wrong, sometimes you're right.
Yeah, sometimes wrong, sometimes right.
But at the end of the day, you still have to good by helping someone, and God will bless you. You see me? God will bless you regardless of the situation, you see me? So, people have to just try to think positive at
And
all
another
time.
thing too, guys. Let me just say this too now, guys.
Yeah.
You see, if a person have a willing heart and them help you out, like I mean them literally help you out, then they back of you, and everything what you don't know, they make you know that a youth have one willing heart and look back and see and know say, you know say, a CECE and Nathan did Ray, or this is somebody I did Ray, or this is somebody I did Ray. We not have to come to you and show you a vibes, and you know say you appreciate what we do and know say you can give back a strength. That is all the thing goes. But you have some people them just want you to build them and them zoop gun left you and them don't give a shit boy. You just have to talk back and it's just it. You get me, guys? I saw some people say.
Yeah, I have people stay so in our life, you see me?
But you can't stay so.
Them want to lead, like them
Yeah,
people
stay
are like leech, you see me? Them live on your strength until them big enough, then they
Yeah,
just
then them
cut
gone
left
with
you
you. Yeah,
and
man.
find somebody bigger than you.
Yeah.
But remember, say life, you know, man, is a cycle, you know. So everybody have their time, you see me? You have to just wait for your time and believe.
Yeah,
say you
believe
have a
in
time,
God.
you see me?
Him up best up, him up
Yeah,
above, him up
pray
best
to
up.
God every day.
Pray,
So-
read the Bible, and believe in him, trust in him.
So people, we just do that video, you have to make you know what really go on with you and them, you see me? Because enough people feel like, say,
Enough people feel like we and King and Shane, and so we don't in a
You see
nothing,
me?
love. No, we not in a We can't in and nothing either. All if we want, me a go it like what Ritical say. All if we don't want for in and something, we can't in and nothing.
You do me? So, people,
Yes.
I just eat basically I eat that, you see me?
Yeah.
So, tomorrow, again, probably we'll go live tomorrow or something. So guys, just look out.
Just stay tuned for the video.
Turn on the bell,
the video,
subscribe if you're new.
Comment if you're new.
Yeah, make sure guys, please may I beg you, if you can comment as much as possible.
Yep.
For your real supporter, all the real supporter, they want to comment 5 times.
Yeah.
You see me? Please may I beg you, just comment 5 times. Like the video, share, subscribe, turn on the bell if you're new. Until next time, people.